We do a lot of work for government applications, medical applications, some dental applications, hydraulics, pneumatics. We have 3 departments of manufacturing: Swiss department, conventional lathe department, and the milling department. We could never find what we needed when we needed it. The cabinets were too many, the tools were spread out too far. Even if we had something and we couldn't locate it, we would end up ordering it again. So we would have redundant tooling spread out throughout the shop. It made setups very difficult. It made operations a little bit difficult because the operators couldn't find the tools that they needed in a proper amount of time. So at some point we realized that we needed a resolution to this problem that was only getting larger as we were getting larger. Even beyond the inventory management portion of it and the ordering capabilities of it, I had immediately seen the potential of the unit to do much more for us throughout the shop. So I started to work on the reports and data transmissions and integration into our operating software to allow information that's being processed through that unit to be distributed throughout the facility for several different applications. For example, our operators don't have to leave their workstations in order to view their tool lists or to see what their inventory quantities are for the job that they're currently running. Automatically, the unit will transmit reports through FTP to the workstations on an hourly basis, updating the current tool list values. This allows the operator to stay at his workstation and continue production and still be able to see if he has the tools on hand.
While the recession was going on, we chose that opportunity to improve our systems throughout the facility, to optimize every aspect from inspection to inventory control, to lower our costs and make ourselves more efficient. We consider the most important thing that we do here is service our customers. A lot of people say, what are you here to do? Make parts? No, you're here to service your clients first. The next feature that was critical to us is to lower our cost in general inventory. Now, we didn't do that with just material or just part inventory. We focused on all of our inventory. And one of the primary reasons we were successful in lowering our costs significantly was the unit. We went at it with the concept that we could use this to control our tooling usage to the nth degree. The end result was, when we need a tool for a job, we're not looking at the tools that have been sitting in a drawer for 6 months. We're looking at the tool that's only been in the drawer for a week. And we're not having 5 extra inserts sitting in that drawer for another 6 months. We're only getting what we need when we need it. But where it's really helped us is, I think, the setup times have been reduced a lot because everything's in one place. We actually build our setup sheet with system to generate a tooling list. So since we've set it up to report at every station in the facility, when a job is coming up, I can sit at my desk and pull up that next shop order and type in that part number and see if I have all the tools for that order. Typically, MSC has everything I need the next day. MSC basically came in as more of a partner and an assistant to my company to help us with our day-to-day tooling needs. I couldn't be happier about the way that relationship has worked and how it's continued to grow.